Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Tonight is pasta night at the Galley of the Sun. And sort of out of character, all the ingredients we need is right here in front of us. What we're making tonight is penne pasta with fennel and Italian sausage and a white wine sauce. And this is everything we need. We got our penne, we've got our fennel diced up in 1/4 inch sticks, fennel sticks. We have white wine, we have heavy cream, salt, thyme, some olives. What do you call these?
Kalamata.
We got some kalamata olives and Italian sausage. So right now I have some well-salted water boiling for my pasta, and next thing we're going to do is brown the Italian sausage. Once again, I'm feeding an army here at the Galley of the Sun, so I have doubled the recipe, but all the amounts are down in the description. As always, we are cooking with our homemade Italian sausage. Did that on an earlier episode. Make sure you catch it. Once you have all the paint cooked out of your Italian sausage, then turn off the heat, remove the sausage with a slotted spoon, leave that delicious grease behind, because that is going to flavor our fennel. Now, if you don't think you have enough grease left behind, you can supplement it with some olive oil. But I think we're going to be just fine. All right, so the water's boiling, in goes the pasta. It's going to cook for about 11 minutes. As the pasta cooks, we're going to get a skillet that had our sausage grease in it up to a medium heat, add our fennel and salt. We're going to cook that for about 10 minutes until we start to get some caramelization. Another rare day here at the Galley of the Sun. No garlic and no hatch green chilies. It is possible. So unless you use real spicy Italian sausage, this really does not have any bite to it at all. But if you crave that bite, I think the perfect way to do it is with some Flatiron Pepper Company pepper flakes. I've got 3 different heat levels here. This one here is Hatch Green Valley. It has jalapeno, Sedina, Big Jim, and habanero peppers in it. This one here, the 4 pepper blend, a little bit more fire. You've got jalapeno, ghost, arbol, and habanero. And personally, my favorite, because of the smokiness, is dark and smoky. It has chipotle, ancho, and habanero. So not a whole lot of heat to this one, but boy, a bunch of smoky flavor. This one here is fire. All right, so the pasta's done. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to reserve some of that pasta water in case we need it later. We may or may not. Then I'm going to get that pasta drained, and we'll move on to the next step. All right, our fennel's where we want it. Now we're going to add the wine, get it to a simmer, and reduce the wine by about half. Okay, the wine's been reduced by half. Now we're going to add the heavy cream and the fresh thyme and let that simmer until the sauce thickens up a little bit. Once you're happy with the thickness of the sauce, then in goes in the rest of the ingredients. The sausage, the olives, and the pasta. So, after you toss all that together, if it looks too dry to you, that's why you kept that reserved pasta water. So add a little bit of that, stir it in until you have your beautiful dish. It's all finished. We have the director here to try it. She's not going to use any of the pepper flakes because the only thing hot she likes is me. Well,
yummy.
All right, there you go. Hey, I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. You'll find out when we release every one of our videos. Thank you so much for joining us, and until next time, fair winds and following seas.